What's poppin' YouTube? It's your boy Tsunami Timo, and I'm coming at y'all during the middle of a pandemic, but shit, it's all good. We safe here. So I don't know if y'all on lockdown, but if you are, make sure you stay inside. Don't come outside. Don't take no unnecessary chances. I'm straight for now. I got everything I need. I got toilet paper, wet wipes, disinfectant spray. We got everything. There's only one thing that's missing right now.
Do it for the culture, this is more than just a phase. Feeling like tsunami, see my walls slid with the waves.
It's your boy Tsunami Timo.
Tsunami Timo.
There's only one thing that's missing. Okay, I have a shirt on, got my toilet paper, disinfectant spray, wet wipes, mask, gloves, and the brand new People to Go merch clothing brand, okay? So, before I hold on any longer, let's get into this video. So we got tons of new merchandise. Shout out to People to Go merch. Obviously PB for hooking us up with this brand new, like just in time. The man just released this in time in the coronavirus so we can stay warm, protected, and healthy. So that's what we got right here. In the packaging still, we got lots of this. Shout out to that man, I appreciate all this, okay? We're gonna check it out though. So, nice little plastic bag. We can use this for the plastic bag now. I'm gonna keep these. We don't know if we run out of plastic bags, we might need to use this eventually. So we're keeping this. But let's check this out, okay? This is real nice right here. I've been waiting to wear this though. Like I've been wanting to wear this all week. But I'm happy I'm unboxing this now so I can wear it, okay? But here we go. The back, this is a sports jacket, okay? When I used to play sports, I know it was a long time ago, way back in the day before half of y'all was born. I had something similar to this. This quality is 10 times better than what I used to wear as a kid. Regardless if my parents paid memberships and I got a jacket for being on the sports team, no. This is 10 times better. What does it say? If you're great, they're gonna pay. And they got to go. People to go right there on the bottom. As you can see right there. This fabric right here is dope though. This fabric is a lot better than Adidas, Jordan, and Nike, okay? This is not no cap, this is not no shit that I'm just coming off the top of my head with. Me being as honest as I can be with you guys, this is better, okay? Let's check it out. The man has tags on here. Where you get tags from? This is not nothing you can get created at, what's the website called? AliExpress, where all the people get their shit from China? You can't get that there. They won't make no shit like this for you. What's the other shit called? Where you make custom t-shirts online? You cannot get that there. Okay? So I know it's a lot of people. You might have a company where you use a printing press. You can't make this there, okay? This is on a whole nother level. So the man has tags. Now this is dope, okay? The finish on the tag is even legendary. Luxurious, okay? When you buy like Balmains, I don't know how many of y'all bought Balmains before. Balmain jeans, okay? They come with some tag like this. Very legendary, okay? And they even got a little safety pin on here. That's nice. So it's zip on here. This ain't no hoodie, okay? This is a zip up sports jacket. So we go inside and we got another label right here. That's dope because if you see other clothing brands, especially B.O.B's or any independent clothing company that's up and coming, this gonna say Fruit of the Loom, Champion. Not with this. You see what this is? Legit, right here. People to Go merch. Okay, let's try this out. Yo, I feel like Money Making Mitch with this on.
Oh, I'm broke, baby. Ain't got no money.
Okay. So we have this, okay? We're gonna treat this with respect because this is some legendary shit. If you ain't got this, I don't know what to tell you. You're just gonna have to be in the coronavirus without your superior protection suit. This is what this is to me. This is dope, okay? Boom. Slide that right on. Alright, so what do we have here? What do we have here, okay? It's not over yet. Another dope bag. And we keep in the bag because we don't know how long this epidemic gonna go. We might not have anything, like I said. I like that he used this white string instead of a red or black string. Stands out, okay? Another label. Spared no expense. Got the size extra large. People to go merch right there. And if you ain't seen it, bro, this ain't no cheap shit. Like just like Adidas got their track suits, they got the little zipper at the bottom. This does as well. Okay. Got a back pocket, 2 side pockets. Let's check the tag. Tag is right there. Some legendary shit, bro. If you wear Balenciaga or Louis Vuitton or Gucci, you no longer have to support foreign clothing makers, okay? The time is right now where you can actually do like Chinese people do. And that's not meaning bring the coronavirus to America, but invest in your neighborhood. For instance, when Chinese people get money, they spend it at other Chinese businesses. But what you can do is do similar shit, okay? You might not live in the same neighborhood, but you can support a black-owned business and have the same or even better quality of goods, okay? So here we go, that's the bottom to the top. You got some more drip, okay? Some more shit. It gets better. What we got here? Okay. This is a dope hood. This material is super thick. Double stitch. Alright, if you can see, they got the wool on the outside, not the wool, but they got the cotton fabric. It's thick as fuck. So they got some on the outside and the inside, okay? Another tag, okay? We're popping tags for people to go merch today. So anyways, we got the tag in here. This is not no cheap shit, okay? So, if you're willing to invest some money, get you something nice, this is a dope new brand that you can invest in. All this is stitched, premium quality stitching on this. And then on the back, if you're great, they gon' hate, they got the stitch go, and then the printed PD to go. It's dope, man. Let's check this out though. Let's see how this feels. Oh, look at this. The man was not joking. We even got the tag on the bottom. That's not many companies that'll do that. Ooh. Look at that. Look good with my mask on too. If I go out right now, I'm safe, okay? Just tie this up, boom. Got my do-rag, got my mask. But I'm missing something. The pants, okay? We got some pants too. You can get both of these items, the pants and the top, on the website. I ain't even finished getting dressed, but here we go. They go to the top. Boom. Smooth, right? I'm gonna turn around on that. That's dope as hell. Now, another plastic bag that we saving. As I stand here pantsless, we have the people to go merch. Another tag. The pants dope. They got the stitching on here too. Once again, the label, the size. Dope. These are like some joggers too. Yeah, dope. Let's try these on too. Oh yeah, I like this. I like how it gets skinny at the bottom. So basically, these are dope because they give you a little space where you need space, and then at the bottom they get real nice and snug on your ankles so that these pants do not rip at the bottom. They similar to joggers. They're a little bit more wide in certain areas, but where it counts is where they tight. So at the very bottom, I'm gonna put a shot to it so you guys can see it. They dope, man. I like this. Super comfortable. Nice materials. I'm still missing something. The beanie. How could I forget about the beanie? Man, hey. Man dropping some heat down, hey. For real, man. No cap, my guy. Hey. Which one should I wear? Should I wear with the gold in the front? Or the Pete to Go merch in the front? I don't know, but I'm suited and I'm booted. I don't even think I can catch nothing with this on though. Woo! Look at this. Killing the game. Hey. We in there like swim with it. Hey, this is it. I don't know how many of y'all got this already, but if you don't have it, go check it out right now, cause shit, look at this, bro. Killing the game, boy. Can't even hold you on this, bro. I'm killing it. Super dope, super dope. But we got more shit, okay? People to go. We already discussed what's on here. But we also got 2 different black beanies. So we already discussed the red and the black tracksuit. This is not a tracksuit, obviously this is a sweatsuit. So we got tracksuits, we have sweatsuits, and they're priced accordingly to the quality, okay? We got here, we got a black and white People to Go merch beanie. Boom, they got the little gold on the back. And then we got the black and red. Let's take that out the wrap as well. Natural. So this is super dope because I got a few beanies, and the quality of these beanies is similar to the beanies that I own made by Polo Ralph Lauren. And they ain't no stretch. This is spot on, super dope material. I like this. This will go great with this sweatsuit here, okay? Because this red and black with the red lines on the pants and the top, okay? That's dope. So then boom, we're coordinating with the beanie. That's dope as hell, okay? Boom, okay, we got the black stitching, white outline, got the gold on here, super dope fabric like the other one as well. So these beanies, hey, I don't know what he's gonna come out with next, but this is legendary. I don't care what nobody says. That's the black and the white. But we're not done yet. One final item I got to show you guys. And we're keeping this plastic bag as well. So, I don't have the red sweatsuit. But if you check the website, I guarantee you will find a black and white one. You will find a red sweatsuit. And you obviously find this in that tracksuit. I don't know about you guys, okay? But I've been buying designer clothes for a very long time. So if you ask me about a certain quality, I'm gonna be able to tell you that this quality of this brand is on par with some of the top designer brands on the market. And instead of filling the pockets of rich Italians and French people or wherever the heck you get your clothes from, invest your money in your own community and check it out. Shop with People to Go merch. So that hasn't been the last item. I'd rather wear something that reflects what I like to do, which is waves. And I also want to support black-owned business. People to Go merch, black-owned business. And also, if you make a purchase, you're also supporting the wave community. So why not, okay? Because I know we all running out of money. But guess what? They just said the other day that they sending out about $2,000 to each American. Keep that in mind. Besides that, you also getting your taxes back. If you have not already received your taxes, you still getting them back. So as soon as that money drops, guess what you can do? You can invest in some dope clothing that's going to last you for a very long time. Besides that, if you get a chance, you have some extra money, make sure you check it out. Because we've discussed all the Goat Drip products. You know I like them a lot. But this is another one, man. So with that being said, it's your boy, Tsunami Timo. And I'm out.